Welcome back, my chess friends, to Chess Cruncher, and I'm going to do a game. I'm black, and my opponent's name is Bud. This is a game about it. It looks different than what it seems. It's kind of it. I know you're wondering what that is. Look beyond the move, and you'll find it. And so, with that, we'll start. You're gonna really like it. Okay, he goes e4, I go e5, he goes knight f3, attacking my pawn, I go d6, he goes d4, I go bishop to g5, he takes. And you're going to wonder why I play knight c6. The reason I play knight c6 is if I played pawn takes, pawn takes e4, it wouldn't. I mean, sorry, e5. The reason that'd be bad is I'd trade queens, and he would also be able to take the pawn at e4, e5. So that wouldn't be very good for me. So that's why I sacrificed a pawn. He took d6 pawn, which is really, really interesting because he allowed me to develop. Then he went bishop to e2. Bishop e2 is it's an interesting move because it undoes my pin, and it also, in his mind, keeps his pawn and also allows him to castle. So what I do is I play knight to f6. He plays knight b d2, knight b d2. I castle. He castles. I play rook to e8. I'm going to win back my pawn. Watch and see. He goes c3. I play knight takes e4. You're like, what? Can you actually do that? Yeah. I had two pieces attacking one. He only had one defender. So now we're equal, and I have a very superior position because my pieces are all developed and his aren't. I have one that isn't developed, my rook at a8, but that's not a problem at the moment. He goes knight takes e4, rook takes e4, and then he attacks my rook with with his queen at c2. I drop back to e6. He attacks my bishop. I take the knight because I have to get rid of his powerful knight. He goes bishop takes f6. I go g6. Now I'm pinning. I'm planning to go after the h3 pawn. Maybe mate. We'll see, and we'll see what he does. He goes bishop e3, which is a move that is very passive. His idea is to bring his rook to d1. A d1, developing and also pinning my bishop, but I say, okay, let's do it. So I go queen d7. Queen d7 eyes the h3 pawn, and if you notice, it cannot be taken if I play queen takes h3, because queen takes h3, there's a pin on the pawn to the king. So I can win a pawn here and maybe go checkmate. So that's gonna be cool. Okay, so he played rook to bishop h5. I'm going to step back and allow you to see mate in 2. It's a beautiful combination, and I want you to see it before I play it out because I want you to enjoy it and get to feel the intensity of when it was checkmate. Okay, I'll step back for, we'll say 7 seconds because it's going to take a little bit. You can either stop it or, take the 7 seconds. So the 7 seconds will begin right now. Exactly. I'm glad you saw it. You're smart. Queen takes h3. He plays g takes. And then I play queen to h2. Checkmate.